in class, and how do we get the answer using Excel um, solver. So that I want to show you. First of all, I want you to know that it's a little bit different for you to get Excel solver with Mac or PC. In class, I showed you how to get it in PC. In PC, you go to Excel, and then if you click on it, there's options. Click on option at the end, and then that brings up other things, and click on add-ins, and then click on go, and then check on solver add-in. That's how you get it. For Mac, what you do is you go to tools, and then if you click on tools, there's Excel add-ins. Click on that, and you can check on all of them, but especially solver add-ins, you have to make sure that it's checked, and click on OK. And then under data, you will see Excel solver at the end. So that's how you get Excel. So this question I translated into a table. First of all, objective function, you make $30 per bench and $16 per chair. And 2x4 constraint is 1b plus 0c is less than equal to 15 because we have 15 2x4s. And 2x2, 2b plus 1c. So we need two 2x4s and 2x2s and 2x2s, one for chair. So 2x2, 2b plus 1c less than equal to 15. And 1x2, for bench we need a 2, and for chair c 3. So 2b plus 3c has to be less than equal to 28. And then we have a variable bench and chair, and these cells J9 and C9, K9 are changing. So I highlighted as this. And objective function, the coefficient for objective function, so $30 per B, so I'm going to enter 30, and then 16 for chair because you are making 16 of them, and the objective function is 30 times this plus 16 times that. That will give you objective function, and you want to maximize this profit. And constraint, you just enter the coefficients, so 1b, and 0c for 2x4 constraint, and just simply sum product. If you can simplify everything, this one times these variables, and that will give you the value. So I just want to add $ because J9 and K9 are not changing. It's an absolute reference, so I'm going to change that. And sign is, as I said, it's very important. It's less than equal to. And right hand side, it's given as 15. So I'm going to enter 15 there. And slack is right hand side minus left hand side. For 2x2s, we see 2b, right? So enter 2 and 1c. And left hand side, I'm going to just copy this formula here. And then less than equal to, and right hand side is 15. And the slack, you can also copy this formula like that. And lastly, 2b plus 3c, and it has to be less than equal to right hand side 28. And we have this table completed, and now we are ready to run solver. So click on solver, and objective function is this. And changing, make sure that you check on maximization. This is maximization problem, and click on this too. And then constraints, add. First constraint, left hand side and right hand side. Add left hand side and right hand side. Add left hand side and right hand side. And I want you to add cell references. So these two variables have to be integer. So I'm going to just do that. Add. And this variable has to be also integer, meaning that it cannot be decimal places. And then check on non-negative constraint, and then from non-linear to linear, you change it and solve. And as I did in class, 4.25 and 6.5, the answer came out right away. And at that time, the money or profit you make is $231.50 are going to be made. So exactly what we did is coming up right here. Okay, I hope this was helpful for you.